You just found your next vacation destination. Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chanel Morris here. And we are here at Round Hill Hotel and Villas. Look how stunning this runway is. Upon arrival at the hotel, you check in at the lobby and you're greeted with this beautiful, breathtaking view. This is the perfect hotel for your honeymoon, your wedding, or just a nice relaxing vacation with breathtaking views. After exiting the lobby, you can head to the right where you will find your villas that was famously designed by Ralph Lauren. These villas are absolutely beautiful. The view is stunning of the beach. You have your privacy with these beautiful greenery, and of course everything is nice and clean, and that is definitely a good start to a vacation. The customer service at this resort is phenomenal, and the food is delicious with fresh vegetables grown on the property. You can't get anything better than that. Perfect way to start your day is a sunrise at the beach with a coconut in hand. Absolutely stunning. And if you're tired of the beach, there's always the pool.
We're here at the pool, chilling, having some good, relaxing time. How are you feeling, baby?
Look at the sun shining on it. The blessings shining on it. There's so many amenities on the resort. You have a tennis court, to a library, to a spa. Anything you need to have a relaxing vacation, it's definitely there. So we are here at Round Hill with Otis. With Otis. The Round Hill pet. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. You know some love. Don't forget to press that subscribe button down below, and I can't wait to see you in my next one.